In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google and utilize Notion's great Notion support services to enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process using Google to access Notion, which is an incredible tool to manage your projects and tasks more efficiently. First, let's open up our preferred internet browser. Once there, we can kick things off by searching for Notion. As you type Notion into the search bar and hit enter, Google will fetch a list of results related to Notion, its features, and more. It's common to see Notion's official website right at the top. So go ahead and click on the first link in the results. This link should take you straight to Notion's homepage. Now that we are on the Notion website, you'll see several options, but for our purpose, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the page. There you should find a button labeled Login. Clicking on this will prompt you to sign in with your account. A friendly reminder, make sure you have your credentials ready if you haven't logged in recently. After successfully logging in, we're going to do something a bit different. We want to explore the Marketplace. To do this, simply locate and select Marketplace from the menu options. Once you're at the Marketplace, you'll notice it's brimming with templates designed to help you tailor your Notion experience to your specific needs. These templates can be incredibly useful. Inside the Marketplace, you'll find templates categorized based on various needs, such as work, school, and personal life. If you're juggling work tasks, make sure to check out the work-related templates. They are specifically designed to streamline your activities and increase efficiency. Alternatively, if you're a student or taking classes, the school category might offer the tools you need to organize assignments, schedules, and notes. And for managing personal goals and life tasks, explore the Life section, which is rich with templates to help balance your personal endeavors. Spend a moment or two browsing these categories and choose a template that aligns best with your needs. After selecting a template that seems the most useful to you, you'll see an Add button appear. Click on this button to incorporate the chosen template into your personal Notion setup. Finally, glance at the left side of the display. You'll notice a new page has appeared, reflecting the template you just added. This completes the process, and you are now ready to personalize and start using it. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated Google to get into Notion, explored its marketplace, and integrated a template into your setup. Utilizing these tools will definitely enhance the way you organize your life, whether personally or professionally. Thank you for watching. And make sure to explore other features that Notion has to offer.